Track 1.35, Unit 3, My Country. Exercise 2.
Altyn Ymyl National Park. The Altyn Ymyl National Park is very big. It covers 4,600 square kilometers in southeast Kazakhstan. It lies between the River Ili and the Aktau Mountains. This is a very dry part of the country where life is hard, but in this difficult environment there are around 1,800 species of plants, including willows and honeysuckles, 32 types of fish, and around 260 species of vertebrates, animals with backbones, with 11 on Kazakhstan's red list of endangered species. The rich wildlife makes the park a paradise for birdwatchers. Along with other rare birds, you can see 4 types of eagle, including imperial and golden eagles, as well as eagle owls. Other attractions of the park are the singing sand dunes and the Aktau Mountains. They are both amazingly beautiful and interesting landscapes. The dunes are over 3 kilometers long and 500 meters high. As the wind moves the sand, it makes a sound like an organ. The sound is really loud in dry weather and can be heard several kilometers away. There are signs that people lived in this area many, many years ago. The paintings on some of the rocks of animals and everyday life are thousands of years old. There are also archaeological sites from around 3,000 years ago. Imperial eagle. These are very large birds. Their wingspan, the length of both wings together, is around 2 meters. They live in forests and in small groups of trees on the steppes. You can often see them when they are flying high above the park. They live to around 26 years in the wild, but up to 45 years in zoos. Przewalski's horse. This is one of the rarest species of wild horse. In fact, scientists don't know if it is related to domestic horses. In 1945, there were only 13 Przewalski's horses in the world, and they were in zoos. Now there are over 1,000 in the wild, but they are still endangered. Turanga trees grow along the River Ili and next to springs in the park and are unique to Kazakhstan. The trees are home to reptiles, amphibians, mammals and insects, so are an important part of the park's environment.